Dear friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to deploy large language model locally. As you know, sometimes it's necessary to deploy large language model locally rather than using public API for reason of privacy. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. So now, let's get started. And I'll be using VMware Workstation. To save time of this video, I have already installed virtual machine of Ubuntu. And as you can see over here, the memory you need to configure, or you need to use about 16, at least 16 megabytes. And, the hard disk is about 100 gigabytes. So now we can start the Ubuntu virtual machine. All right, we can open terminal and make the window to be larger so you can see what's going on exactly. First of all, we need to update software package list. Sudo apt update. It's done. Next, we can update package sudo apt upgrade and y. This will take a bit long time, so I'm going to pause the video. And next, we need to download Ollama. Of course, you can use other ways to run DeepSeek, but Ollama is better, I think. At least I think so. So next we can download and install Ollama. The Ollama can allow us to run a large language models, multiple large language models at the same time. Can make our life easier. Okay. So how to do? We can run this command, or I can copy the command from here. Oh, I need to install Q command first. Install Q command. Then we can install Ollama, download and install Ollama. Again, this will take a bit of time, a bit long time. I'd like to pause the video again. Ollama has been installed successfully, although we got a warning, no NVIDIA or AMD GPU. It's all right. This is just for testing, okay? So now we can run command like Ollama, and we can use H option, and you can get its usage. We can list, models. We can list models. Of course, at this moment, there is no large language models yet. So next, we need to download or put down the DeepSeek model, and we can use the Docker-like a way to put down Ollama and pull. And of course, you can choose different models, but considering my limited resources of virtual machine, I'd like to use the smallest model, only 1.5 billion parameters. So I can copy Hit enter. So now it's going to download or put down the DeepSeek model. It's almost done. Yes, it's done. Success. So now if you run Ollama list, so here you can see the model has been put from the repository successfully. Now we can run it. Run it is very easy. We can run and followed by the name. But unlike Docker, we can use ID to run model or run container. But this one, we have to use the name of the model. So now we can send or chat with the model. For example, hi, how do you do? Beautiful. And could you help me? Okay, so I think that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you next. Bye. Have a nice day, please.